Hi all, so welcome to our tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will add the end screen and we will improve our game. So in previous tutorial, when we added those links, uh, they were working, but we have to adjust them. So we will do that first. So press G. So when the zombie was trying to jump over them, he was kind of stuck. So one way is to just adjust their height, or another thing which we can do, so let me check all of them except this one. Yeah. Uh, or maybe we should choose one by one. One, two, three. Yes. Uh, okay, so maybe we can increase the Z value. 70? Nope. Sorry. Okay, just press no. Okay, here. So we will decrease 180, and here we will put 160 or maybe 180. 190. I think it is all good. We'll do the same with others too. So the value is like 190 and minus 80. 180 and minus 80. So it will give some air to breathe for the zombie so he can jump easily. So one is that. Next is when we were playing the game, right? So the zombie, he he's choosing some random location. So let's imagine when we are here, right? So the zombie who's here, he don't have any idea like he is the main player. So what I think, maybe we can change our behavior tree. So if we will go to the character AI brain, I am thinking like instead of random location, I will always choose the player. So instead of move to and when I'm choosing the target location, maybe I will just disconnect this, click save, move to, and instead of the target location, I will choose the target actor. And whenever zombie, when we are initializing the zombie, I will uh, set the value of target actor to the current player, so that we can do. So how we will do that, let me check. I think we are spawning in the control comma spawn manager. Yes, so when we are spawning, spawn zombie wave, and so this is where we are spawning, right? Like uh, we are spawning a from class, and we are spawning the MEI base. Maybe in the begin play we can set that value. I will just copy and paste it here, and in the target I just want to set the character. That's it, nothing else, and it should do the task. So let's test that first. Let me compile the game and we will test it in the vid. Okay, the game is compiled. Play the game. We exit. After some second, the zombie will spawn, right? At 50. Yes. Where is he? the target actor is still done, so he's in idle condition. So it's not working. Okay, I think I got the issue. Actually, we are spawning our AI using the spawner. In that case, it is not like the AI controller is not possessing the zombie exactly at that same time. So this code actually, this condition will get failed. So this will never run. So let's try another approach in which we will just void AMAI base update zombie target location. And we will just cut paste this utils, and we will check is invalid AI controller, comma AI controller is invalid. Okay, alt enter, and we have declared the like we have defined the function. So let me shift this function in public because we will call this function. So as soon as we will spawn inside the manager, as soon as we are done with this, right? So we will just call that function. Oh shit, we have to cast it. So when we are okay, we will cast this to us. So cast to AI base. And it is always a good idea to check if cast is succeeded or not. If okay, can we do that? Actually, cast to AI base, or we can directly cast the pawn, right? Okay. AI base star AI zombie is equals to cast spawned pawn. Oh, sorry. Cast to AMAI base spawned pawn. If yes, then we can do that. I haven't tested that code, but it's like simply saying if this is true and this is true, if these two values are defined, then we will go forward. And I think it should work fine. So just let me compile. And I think in the move to we have set the target actor. Yes. Perfect. Okay, compile. Let's try. Go to zombie. Nope, nothing there. We will wait till 50. And it is working. Okay, I put that wrong, but the AI, the target actor is valid now. Let me check if the character is moving. Yes. now the game make more sense because let's imagine if we are here, like way across the map, and because of our environmental query, the zombie will respawn like here and like way far, like from this from our main player. So it is a good idea to write our code this way. So just make more sense to me. And just remove this code. Perfect. So there are two more things which we do want to add in this tutorial. One is in the end screen, sorry, in the main screen, we do want to add the blood effect. So when zombie is attacking us, uh, so when zombie is attacking, we do want to have some blood effect here. So for that, we will have one image and we will animate that image. So open MUI uh, MUI main. And what we will do, mm, image, right? So just copy paste it. I underscore blood splash or something. Okay, and we will create that image. We will rename this, compile and save. Let me add those assets too. I haven't added them yet. Okay, give me a second. I have already uploaded these files. So these two. Perfect. Blood effect. And this is a texture, so T underscore blood effect. Perfect. So I will just assign this image and will resize it. The size is 503541, 503541. Okay, it is kind of small, so now it is looking good. And by default, I don't want to have the opacity, like it is got to be visible all the time. So in color and opacity, I will turn the alpha 0, so it is not visible. And in animation, we do want to animate it whenever I am getting attacked, like the main player is getting attacked. So uh, anim being tagged. So here I do want to animate the image, and inside that image I do want to change its opacity. So when we are starting out, I do want to set its opacity to 1, and with zero point 0.5, I guess we will turn it to 0. So whenever we will play, you're getting my point, right? So now next target is like whenever we are getting attacked, I do want to play this animation. So I am thinking to create one function or one event, and we will animate it, play animation. We can also do this using C++, but the issue is to have the reference of this attack. This we do want to have the reference. One way is to create one variable inside C++ and set it inside some event. Or we can also actually, yes. So let's do one thing. This is widget animation, right? So okay, so go here in the public will or protected. We will call create one function void, and it will be a u function blueprint. There are two. One is blueprint native, in which the blueprint can override it and it can have the native event, And next is the blueprint callable. We want blueprint callable because we want to call this function from the blueprint. So void play blood if animation, and here we will have the variable which is of type widget animation. So you widget animation widget animation, alt enter, generate definition, play animation widget animation. Perfect. I think it should work fine. So whenever we will get a tag, so this will play the animation. We haven't added the code in a tag, so we will do that too. But here, uh, play blood animation. Okay. I think we had done something wrong. We need a function in which we have to call, you know, animation. What's the function again? Play blood animation. But we need this function, right? So this way, we have to create one more function like this, which will be implemented by Blueprint. So one way is that, and this is kind of big, right? The only issue is how to connect this animation variable, this variable to the C++ one. So, so just to avoid this, what we can do, we can just have the custom animation, the blueprint implementable event or the native event. We do have two. Here it will be implemented by blueprint. So in this case, I will just remove this and it should do the work. Okay, perfect. Now when we will compile this, we can just implement this function play blood animation. So the code is compiled, play blood animation, and we will play the animation. Perfect. So this is nice. Now we have to call that function, this function, whenever we are being attacked from the zombie. So attack attack player, execute tasks. Oh, okay. Okay, so we are applying damage, but we are not sure to whom we are applying damage. So maybe in the character base, in damage received here. So as soon as we are getting damage and it is non-zero, we will play that animation. But that animation is not directly accessible here, but we have access to our HUD class, right? So a HUD, mHUD, yes. So we will have one more function, void play blood effect, alt enter, just copy paste it. Play, what was the function again? The function is VUI main play blood animation, right? Where is that function? Yes, it's in protected. So we have to move this function to public So play blood animation, play blood animation. Perfect. So now as soon as we will receive some damage, the character, we can, sorry, so as soon as we will receive the damage, here we will just check if herd gherd, if it is valid, alt enter. If it is, then gherd dot play blood effect. Perfect. Think everything should work. Okay, so let me compile the game again. Okay, let's check. Let me pick my gun. Jumping. The zombie spawned. I can hear his sound. Okay, he attacked. Yes, I can see that. Okay. Next issue is whenever he is applying the damage, the damage should be somewhere in the middle when we are playing the animation. And okay, one is like, okay, when, so here I will just remove some frames. So remove from 0 to 10, and here I will remove these frames also. Just save, play, yes, and we have transform speed. Now it should work as expected. Another way to approach the situation is like when we are playing the animation, we can call function from the animation itself, and in that call we we can call that function, that attack function, but it will be really complicated to do that right now, so I will just stick with this approach only. So let's try that again. Let me play this in pie mode. I picked my gun. Okay. I can hear his sound. He's coming towards me. Okay. Again, the zombie is coming. Let me check if that scar is coming in. Scar is coming. So I can hear the sound. One zombie is here in front of me and he has that height. He should jump from that wall. Not sure if he's moving. Okay, he's coming. Okay, he was too slow. And this also, if you were seeing that clip, when the zombie is following us, right, and we are moving from here and there, so the zombie will not directly chase us. Sometimes he will move that our known location. So we have to check this button, observe blood bowl value, and to true. So what it will do, and okay, this is the radius, right? Give me a second. Okay, so what it will do, it will keep on checking if the target actor location is updated or not, because even if sometimes what is happening if I am moving from A to B And B to C, the zombie will go to A to B first, then B to C. Okay, so I think this was it for today. In the next tutorial, we will add the end screen. So it is kind of finished. I hope you are, loving this series. Just do like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.